Welcome to the best picks. The Best Action 4 battery is probably one of the most crucial accessories for any adventure enthusiast or content creator using the DJI Action 4 camera. Ensuring you have enough power to capture every thrilling moment is paramount, whether you're diving into the ocean, shredding down a mountain, or simply documenting your daily life. This review will dive deep into the Action 4 battery, exploring its features, performance, and why it's a must-have for your action camera setup. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action Camera Charging Kit. This charging kit is designed for your Osmo Action camera. It includes everything you need to keep it powered up and ready to go. The kit comes with two 1300 mAh LiPo batteries. They provide plenty of power for extended shooting sessions, so you won't miss a moment. The Osmo Action Charging Hub allows you to charge up to 3 batteries at once. This is a huge time saver. It only takes 130 minutes to fully charge 3 batteries. That means less waiting and more shooting for you. The kit also includes 2 battery cases. These cases protect the batteries when they are not in use, keeping them safe and secure. What we like. This charging kit is perfect for users who need to keep multiple batteries ready to go. It allows you to charge up to 3 batteries simultaneously, ensuring you're always prepared for your next adventure. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who shoots long videos, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Comes with battery cases. Nice charger feature is you can put all 3 batteries in it, the one that came with the camera and the 2 extras, and the charger will charge each one, then progress to the next until all are completely charged. I bought this for a trip to Maui last week and this charger works flawlessly from any power source plugged into it. I used a USB outlet in the condo, on my power strip, from a wall wart from my phone, and from a portable power bank, and it charged the batteries every time. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action Extreme Battery. This battery is designed for your Osmo Action camera. It provides up to 160 minutes of battery life, allowing you to capture more footage on a single charge. Even in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, it supports continuous recording for up to 150 minutes. This ensures that you can keep filming, no matter the conditions. With PD fast charging, this battery can power up to 80% in just 18 minutes. It gets you back in action quickly. The battery life was tested in a controlled environment. The results are for reference only, and actual performance may vary depending on usage. You will receive one Osmo Action Extreme battery. Get ready to extend your filming time with this powerful accessory. What we like. This battery offers impressive battery life, allowing you to record for extended periods. It also supports fast charging, getting you back in action quickly. If you're planning on shooting in cold environments or need long recording times, it's an excellent option for you. What people say. Works great. Perfect extra batteries for my DJI Action 4 camera, does exactly what you expect from these batteries. Battery, last long and fast in charging. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action Battery Case for Action 3 and 4. This is the DJI Osmo Action Multifunctional Battery Case. It's designed to keep your action camera powered up and ready to go. It's a must-have accessory for any adventure. The case can store up to 3 batteries and 2 microSD cards. It also intelligently fast charges 3 batteries at once, saving you time and ensuring you're always prepared. Need to charge your phone or other devices? This case can also act as a power bank. Use the batteries stored inside to charge other devices when you're on the move. Inside the box, you'll find the Osmo Action Multifunctional Battery Case itself. Everything you need to keep your action camera and other devices powered up. This case is compatible with the Osmo Action 3 and Osmo Action 4 cameras. It's the perfect companion for your action camera, ensuring you never miss a moment. The dimensions of the case are 116.2 by 59.2 by 22.9 mm, L x W x H. It's compact and easy to carry, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. What we like. This multifunctional case not only stores your batteries and microSD cards but also charges them quickly. Moreover, it can act as a power bank for other devices. If you are looking for a compact solution to manage your batteries and charge other devices on the go, then this is the perfect choice. What people say. The battery life is significantly improved compared to previous models. The charging time is impressively fast. The battery is designed to be easily swappable. Number 2. Hanatora charger for DJI Osmo Action 3.4. This is the Hanatora charger, designed for your DJI Osmo Action 3 and 4 cameras. It's a convenient solution for keeping your batteries ready to go. The charger can handle 2 batteries at once. It takes approximately 70 minutes to fully charge 2 batteries with a 5V3A input. It has an input of 5V3A and an output of 4.4V1.5A for each battery. This ensures efficient and safe charging for your batteries. This charger doubles as a storage box. You can use it to charge 2 batteries simultaneously or store 2 batteries safely. The package includes the charger itself and a USB-C cable. Everything you need to keep your action camera powered up is here. What we like. This charger is designed to charge 2 batteries simultaneously, saving you time. It also functions as a storage box. If you need a simple and efficient way to charge and store your batteries, this is a great option. What people say. Works perfectly for my DJI Action 3 batteries. Fast charging also seems to work on both batteries at the same time if connected to a fast charger with enough wattage. Works, fairly quick charge for my DJI Action 3, holds 2 bats, used my power bank to charge once, it worked little longer, good for while out and about. Cumple con lo ofrecido. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 3.4 Extreme Battery Kit. Introducing the DJI Osmo Action Extreme Battery Kit, designed for your Osmo Action 3 and 4 cameras. This kit includes everything you need to keep shooting longer, so you won't miss a moment. The Extreme battery boasts a 1770 mAh capacity, providing up to 160 minutes of recording time. It ensures you have plenty of power for all your adventures. The built-in intelligent battery management system keeps you informed. It monitors the battery status in real time, so you always know how much power you have left. The multifunctional charging case can fast charge 3 batteries simultaneously. It also stores batteries and microSD cards, keeping everything organized. The charging case can also act as a power bank. You can use it to charge other devices, like your smartphone, when you're on the go. The kit includes 2 extreme batteries and 1 multifunctional battery case. Get ready to capture more with this essential accessory. What we like. This kit provides long battery life and fast charging capabilities. The built-in intelligent battery management system allows you to monitor the battery status in real time. If you want a comprehensive solution with extended shooting time and smart features, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Good battery pack works great. It comes with 2 batteries, the case, and a USB cord. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.